Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kerrie Walker, and I am presenting the Let's Ride School Tour. I'll be traveling around the country speaking at middle schools, high schools, and colleges to young women who need to be encouraged, inspired, and are ready to go to the next level in life. Do you have any young women at your campus or your school that is struggling with self-esteem, self-awareness, time management, conflict resolution, or building relationships? If you would like to book a stop on my tour, I have 3 different packages that are available. Package number 1 will include me coming to your campus and speaking to a specific group of young women that are dealing with self-esteem, self-awareness, time management, conflict resolution, and any other topic that your school is in need of. Package 2 will include me coming to your campus, speaking to a specific group of young women. I will also include a round table talk with 10 to 15 young women that are aspiring entrepreneurs. I'm going to throw in some t-shirts and my 30-day vision workbook. And in this vision workbook, young women will be able to go through affirmations, gratitude statements, get their day set up, and write a mission statement for their life. Package number 3 will include a full semester of my SEL-focused curriculum. I will come into your campus bi-weekly and meet with a specific group of young women. I will take them on a journey of healing, of transformation, so these young ladies can truly be purpose-filled. Whether they go to college, they get a career, they go to the military, these young ladies will be able to tackle anything and everything that comes their way. This package will also include grade checks, t-shirts, my 30-day workbook, and at the end of the semester, I will throw in a lock-in and/or conference just for your young women. If you are interested in booking a stop on my tour, head on over to my website, www.isquaredcoaching.org, or you can email me at drkerrie@isquaredcoaching.org. Now let's ride.